In order to build the 500,000 square foot project on the site, 3 buildings had to come down. In addition to the buildings needing to be demoed, a very important circulation path ran through 2 of the buildings that were connected by overhead walkways. In order to take the buildings down, but not interrupt the flow of that traffic, we had to come up with some type of bypass, which you can see in yellow here. And it was temporary because that bypass is now becoming the new main entry drop-off for the hospital, not just for the new addition, but for the entire campus. But that bypass was being priced at about, I think, $2.1 million. And because that hairpin turn at the top was the existing drop-off for the hospital, it could disrupt traffic flow for anywhere between 4 to 6 months. So we thought, well, what companies are out there that make elevated walkways? So we contacted a jetway company. I think actually Skanska Shook made the connection with FMC, asked them if they were up for it. They hadn't done anything in this type of application before. They said, yeah, we'll give it a shot. So the process started of them producing drawings for us to review, and the structure was in place. You can see it there behind the wooden fence. On December 12th, with the structure in place, by the next day, about a third of the bridge was installed. Each of the following 2 days, the entire bridge was in place, and you can see that the first building is being raised there behind. This piece of the case study does have some tangible metrics for us to look at. We're comparing over $2 million of construction with $980,000 of construction, comparing what would have been a very messy 4 to 6 months of disruption of their main entry to 3 days to install that bridge and absolutely no disruption at all because the thing was hoisted from the site side. And I don't think they had a single hour of traffic interruption. And then comparing at $2.1 million completely being discarded, not having any use for it. With the prefabricated model, since it is in a unit, we're able to use about, I think it's actually now about a half of it, somewhere else on site in a permanent location.